Struggling to find that perfect bang style for a petite forehead? Discover how you can cleverly transform your hair game with simple yet stunning haircuts. Side bangs accentuate your features and conceal small imperfections effortlessly. Microbangs highlight your eyebrow line and add a modern twist. The blunt cut bob boosts hair volume, perfect for sophisticated styles. A shag cut provides airy texture and balance to your hair. Grown-out bangs offer a chic transition for evolving styles. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.